Hey y'all, it's your girl Xureila and I'm back with another wig review video. So this wig is from Nadula and it is 150% density. It's a brown wig with blonde highlights. It is so cute. I believe this wig that I have on is 24 inches and it's just bomb, okay? So hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out Nadula hair down below in the description. And yeah, if you want to see how I slayed this wig, then just keep watching.
Give it up, I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else, here you'll find nothing. Just give it up, I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover. Yeah, eating all alone, sleeping on my own.